Hey loves, I have a new subscription box to share with you, and this is the Cohorted B-U-B Beautiful. This is a UK subscription box, and I have seen it a long time ago around and wanted it, but it was only UK only, but now they do ship outside of UK as well, and I am excited to get into the September's box. I already did go and see what I had already, but let's dig in. So the value of this box is 119 pounds, and I think I will leave all the info of the box on my blog, but I think it's for shipping 45 euros a month for me. And the first item in this box is something from Benefit, and it's the Real Double the Lip, and I have the shade Lusty Rose, and it is a mini. It value is 17 pounds, and this is how it looks. I love the packaging. And I actually have always wanted to try their lips, well, their products more than I have. So here's the swatch of it, and I like it has like a darker to do around the lips, and then inside of the lips is lighter, which makes the lips look much bigger. So this looks beautiful, and I have high hopes for this little gem. And then we have something from Bella Bear, and Bella Bear is a brand I do love. They make like mineral makeup that's natural and organic, and I have the contour and highlight, and this is the cream palette. And this is how it looks like. Oh my god. So it has a nice size mirror in it, and I can take out the empty pens, and there is like a little card with different face shapes, and how you can do highlighting and contouring to them. So yeah, that's like really neat, and something I have wanted to try in the past. And this is retailing for 45 pounds. You already have the value of the box done. But let's continue. There is also some discounts on like there was supposed to be NARS Dual Intense Eyeshadow in shade on Andromeda, which retails for 21 euros, but I didn't get it. I did got something from Dosey, which is I think brand based in New York. This looks fabulous. I have had in the past their other products, and I do love. It comes in really nice packaging, and they are all separately put here. And now I'm not sure how I'm gonna get those plastics off because they're so snugly. Okay. Come on. So they all pop out. It's a magnetic palette, and you can I will just take those protectors off so I can easily use the palette. And this is the highlighter. And yeah, it's super beautiful. This is the highlighter. Then I have a blush. I have no idea. Oh, actually, I do have the shades here. The highlighter is Amber. This is After Party. Let me get this off. And it's a matte. Oh, beautiful shade. So pretty. Have that. Next to that we have a Delight for Beach This does look like it has a bit of shimmer, and it's like lighter shade, so I little bit build it up so it will show up. Also looks super beautiful. Then we have 4 eyeshadows. The first one is Julia. This is how it looks. It's here, and let me switch it. It's not the worst shade, but it did apply a little bit funky. Next to that we have Grace, which is a matte dark gray. This is how it looks. Oh, that's pigmented. A little bit powdery, but pigmented. Then we have shade Nadia, which is this beautiful bronze. Here it is. Ooh, this looks beautiful. And after that we have another matte, that's, what's the shade? It's Sophia. Really beautiful shade. It's matte, perfect for like it's here, perfect for autumn, I would say. I will build it a little bit up, and it's here. It's not as intense as the gray, but it can be built up to a beautiful finish. And yes, this is how the palette looks like. It's gonna be awesome for this time of day. I really like it. And I assume it's in the same range as this one little eyeshadow, but I do prefer this palette over that one shadow. Now they do have a brand like Discovery, which is Biocell, and I got the Biocell. I got 3 items. First one is the Biocell moisturizing hyaluronic acid face mask, and it retails for £6. This is gonna be awesome for winter. I have never used any of their masks, so discovering a new mask is awesome. And then I have another mask from them, and it's a regenerating face mask, and it retails also for £6. And the third mask from them is the soothing eye mask, which also retails for £6. And yeah, I love masks, as you well know. Then I did got a sample of this Giorgio Armani Sea fragrance. You know, nah, don't like samples. Then I did got another mini, and this is the Clinique lip color primer, the Clinique Pop, and this is shade 14 Plum Pop, and this is how it looks, and this is the color. I have so many lipsticks, and this shade as well. I'm keeping the Benefit one, but this mini I will put in upcoming giveaway. Now the next one is also a mini. It retails for £10, and this is the Lancome Regenerating and Replenishing Care with SPF 15, and it's 5 milliliters. I will put this also in the upcoming giveaway. So yeah, that was this month's box. I really didn't know what to expect, but there was items I really liked. You guys know I like sheet masks, and I got Bella Beer, and I got to try this awesome Dosi makeup. So I think overall it was nice. I would have wanted, instead of getting minis, one full-size item, and yeah, I would have liked that way more. But I do like what I got, and I think it's a great value for the price point, and I can't wait what my October box will bring me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.